Essential foods for bones, health and strength, foods for healthy bones. Yogurt. Many people get vitamin D through contact with sunlight, but particular foods, like yogurt, are prepared with vitamin D. Cup of yogurt could be a creamy method of getting your everyday calcium. Stonyfield Farms Make ups a fat-free plain yogurt which contains 30% of the calcium and 20% of the vitamin D during the day. Despite the fact that we like the protein-packed Greek yogurts, these varieties have a tendency to contain less calcium and little, or no, vitamin D. Milk. There is a reason milk may be the poster child for calcium. 8 ounces of fat-free milk can cost you 90 calories, but offer you 30% of the daily dose of calcium. Select a brand prepared with vitamin D to get double the amount benefits. Can't get 3 glasses each day? Try blending milk right into a smoothie or sauce. Cheese. Simply because cheese is filled with calcium does not mean you have to eat it excessively, packing around the €1 trademark to strengthen your joints. Just 1.5 ounces, think some dice, of cheddar cheese contains greater than 30% of the daily worth of calcium, so enjoy moderately. Most cheeses contain a tiny bit of vitamin D, although not enough to place a sizable dent inside your daily needs. Eggs. Though eggs only contain 6% of the daily vitamin D, they are an easy and quick method of getting it. Just don't go for egg whites, they may cut calories, however the vitamin D is incorporated in the yolk.